Alright, I'm going to show you how you can create a pie chart that's going to display your percentages in Excel. So here we just have some very simple data. We just have sales data for the first quarter of the year displayed here. So if we select all of this data, we go up to the insert ribbon and just hit recommended charts and select this pie chart here. We can insert a pie chart and we'll go ahead and hit OK. And we can then click and drag these little circles to resize. We'll make it this color. And here we have our pie chart. But obviously we can see that the pie chart is not displaying any percentages or anything for us. So what we can do is when you have the pie chart selected, under chart design, go over to the quick layout and select this first option here. And that's going to add your percentages for you. Now say you wanted to add more decimals to the percentages, you simply double click on one of the percentages and this little menu will pop up. Then scroll down to the bottom until you see number here, expand that, and then in the category list go ahead and hit the drop down, select percentage, and then you can choose how many decimal places you want to be displayed. Here we have it displayed 2 decimal places. If we want to change it to just 1 decimal place, we can just type 1 and enter and change that like so. Say you want these percentages to be outside of the actual slice of the pie, you can click and drag those to any location you want within the chart. Now when you also double click to select all 3 of these percentages or all the percentages in your pie chart, you can also right click and you can change the fill to maybe have it stick out a little bit more. Say we want to choose a red fill with a black outline. Or maybe we don't like that. We just want this to be a maybe bolded darker font. We can go to font and we can then play around with any formatting we want. We can make the font size a little bit bigger. We could change the text font. We can change the color, say a dark black, hit OK, and we can change and manipulate the font however we'd like. So you kind of just got to play around with it. But there you have it. That's how you can create a pie chart displaying percentages. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.